Step 1. Open the box. Take out the product. Arrange the products and accessories neatly. Step 2. Confirm the installation position of the clips. The 2 clips in the middle position are installed on the vehicle. The side clip is installed in the corresponding hole of the inner fender liner. Step 3. Remove the original car baffle. Step 4. Adjust the inner fender liner to ensure it holds a line with the original vehicle holes. Tighten and fix it with screws. Insert the clips one by one into the corresponding holes. Insert the inner fender liner at both ends into the baffle. Continue to secure it with screws. Step 5. Reinstall the original car baffle. Installation completed. The installation steps on the other side are the same.